Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of a TV mount. So this is a TV wall mounting bracket, and this is quite heavy actually. So this is from Bondtech. So this TV mount is actually from a company called Bondtech, which provides a full motion TV mount, and this can mount TV up to size of 80 inch. So since I have recently purchased a new TV, and I would like to mount the television on the wall, so I was looking for a good heavy duty wall mount which I can use it to put my TV on. So this is what I ordered from Amazon, and this cost me around 48 euros. So first I will unbox this wall mount, and in the next video I will mount the TV on this bracket and will show you how this will work. Okay, so friends, without wasting further ado, let's do the unboxing. Quite heavy. Okay, so inside the box you have this instruction manual. It will tell you how to put the mount onto the TV. It's pretty straightforward. So I think in the next video I am going to shoot all these things, and I will show you how to mount this bracket. Okay, so you have this VESA plate. Okay. Then you have this big bolt with these plugs, where you can put the bolts into the plugs and so the TV. Plus you have a leveler. So this is a bubble leveler. This is a bubble leveler to tell you whether the TV is in the right shape, and whether the TV is in the right angle or not. Then you have this, also you have an HDMI cable. I think this is to connect your TV. Plus you have these metal bolts, metal brackets. Then you have two metal brackets and a bunch of screws and washer. Okay, and this is the complete. My goodness, it's actually very heavy. Okay, so this is the complete bracket and where you need to mount the TV. And the good part is this can lifts up. So okay, so you can use this bracket, to mount the television and also move the television. So it's quite heavy. So here, so here on the plate, I think here like this, you're going to put TV, and So this is the bracket where your television will sit. So all these 4 screws you'll attach to your television, and then you will put this bracket on top of this. Yeah, and then you attach the whole assembly, the bottom assembly, to the wall. So this will help for the movement of the TV. I can pull the TV in the front and a little bit swing. So it looks pretty heavy. The build quality also pretty good. It's very heavy. Yeah, so the build quality for this, it's very good. I liked it. It's pretty heavy, and yeah, I would like to see how it connects to my television. So I'm just waiting for the day when the TV will arrive and I will fix this in the wall. So friends, overall I'm very happy with this product. It's very good, very strong and sturdy, and especially for the TV size for my television, like close to 77-inch, I think this would be the perfect fit. So yeah, just waiting for my television to come and I will fix it. I'm waiting for that day. So friends, that's all in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.